Welcome everybody. Tami khang mamang zomrochi. Tishle tsanglo chabenango. Welcome. Tishle. Okay. While everybody's joining in, Kiranzo shortla di live di mi khang mamang la damrochi. Tanda, what we're going to do is I'm going to be inviting a couple of people on my live right now, and then we will tell you all what to do. Okay. So Tishwa. Technical difficulties. Alright, so joining me here live is Kunsangla from Stories of Tibetan. And if you all don't know what's happening, Kunsangla NDTV Delhi NDTV office kichilo la yore. But before I start, I will invite two more people. Okay. Matanda ngarangi tenang guest. Alright, so we have Hi Abukama, Testle.
Appears to have been edited with malicious intention and was fabricated in a way that could be seen as disrespectful and offensive to many. If I may add a few clarifications regarding the incident, I'd like to break it down into the following points. First of all, I'd like to ask the media outlets, where have you taken this video clip from? What's your source and how reliable is it? Have you checked the intentions of the source you have relied on? This tailored video clip was initially posted by a newly made YouTube channel and a Twitter account that was created only a few days before the content. And mind you, this is the only content that they uploaded. Secondly, on the 8th of April, a week after His Holiness crowned the successor of Mongolia's next spiritual ruler, this video clip started getting edited and propagated. We all know who's behind this.
Yeah. Coming on the door. And this shot like the what the pinch information to look to.
Wherever the readers are, wherever the viewers are, that is where propaganda reports must extend their tentacles. Thirdly, most of the people from the West apologize to soothe the pain of the one that's hurting. This definitely does not mean that we're guilty. This is called Sembeke in Tibetan. Fourth, the reason why more than millions of people around the world are protesting is because we believe in the saying that media is the fourth pillar of democracy and is usually known for abiding by the basic principles and ethics of journalism. This time, unfortunately, they took up the bait set by the Chinese Communist Party and fueled the hate train without doing their own research, neglecting the most basic ethics of journalism. Through this peaceful protest, we demand an apology from NDTV and the rest of the media outlets that have sparked the wildfire of misleading news and hurt the sentiments of millions of Tibetans and followers of His Holiness around the globe. May peace prevail and the truth triumph.
Okay. ten.lha.tse tanda join chitung the
Alban, ten.lha.tse. Binye delay the pinch is the number one phone jamming, number two online game, number three mass emailing. Also email. What did they do? What did the gentleman?
Okay, younger too. Okay, tanda chala number so abuka manganyam the life la yore. Surdila, we also have Kunsangla with a bunch of other influencers. Kiranto Mangshe Kunzu Dongbang Washington, Kwanzo, Nani Chikdi, Dojanangzera, and Chikdi, Kunsangla, and Kunsangla is from Stories of Tibetan. And then Tenzi Selton Lamorampe Tanda with the active nang there and Kong Kashi means that I think you too much. In a Kiranto Tanda see the life, the Dilini, Kuranzo, the Paga entity office Kichilola. Koranzuki kala kare na po gaya gumse di karlana ngaranzo shide ta concept kal the teacher but the peaceful way ni chilo protest nangi yore ta didi kimbe gapche ke gapche de chia me che ngaranzo di konzo gi tapshi sawa chikche ine wanzo tharing mimangsa ni kari pibi shubi yolana wadel abuka magi information chik pin chida wondi kuchi kiranzo yakuji loro nangda. I want all my viewers to look at the message that is being pinned in this comment right now. The comment the Yagyoch Temaj Logi and Abu Kamagi Chiklorochta.
그래, 이제 야, 아무도 들고 야, 알아서 디어로 비버스로 알아서 좀 당이 그래서 가서요. 내가 때 레로 들어 아무도 됐어. 폰 자밍 폰 따라로 the entity with number tegara shado entity kutulam de phone bar ta ani phone kya wai na ta ani khala direct entity we apologize to dalai lama ra odi la ya ani shebat sakat gi mangbu malawa che ra odi lapta huzo pok chi der ha goya pok chi der to di phone shebat ramena mangbu le thangma jam charu ya 아주 강자기 그냥 보게 하루 바로 그러냐도 지가시나요. 그래서 폰 세발리에 비해 정말 잠차로 어떻게 비잡 주고 콘소가지 봐줄라 마케팅이네 그 가리는 정말로 느껴버려. 어디 제펠레로도 정말 펠레로야 어디 아니 즉 이거 넘버 2 디카서 온라인 캠페인 디카는 데 가서 대체 take a selfie 어디 넘치 selfie 저요. 드링 어디 selfie 디카는 very important selfie요. 그래서 this hashtag Lechiro NGTV apologize to Dalai Lama and you are Satina Ulta Tungudo. Nature to your point.
Apologize ki thakcha di yang kaza normano roshi
that bachimato. Ani per jatukoleyo back camera gizalo front selfie the front image front janam di ulta chaluta kyanso back camera gizaro number 2 어디랬어? 아니 어디 파티 자사에 있는데 수수까지 디나로 루그와 인스타그램 여러 핸들 먹고 소셜 미디어 거리네 뭐 트위터이네 유튜브 숏스 데이네 아니 가래 인스타그램 바이브도 누구라 어디 누구 지가 파라버 제야도 되도 강자로 냠도 똑똑으로 있다. 미다도 참 제야요. 피스 베이가라 피스 베이가라. And somebody did show the email time, bro. NDTV at ndtv.com. That's how
yeah feedback at and okay tanda khare do de this ko ngajo comment the unfortunately disabled chair so tanda see de do konan de that the peaceful way ni protest ni pagala kimbo gya shukshumo ma gya tende ya the chochik di dodang di chik de kora de na desha. If you can see they're standing outside NDTV office at this point. And Abu Kama Gitanda, whatever Abu Kama said, I'm going to repeat it in English for my non-Tibetan viewers. Okay, so here's the thing. If you can see the comments underneath, it says phone jamming. So all of us are requested to please pick up your phone. If you are not in if you're not in India and you're in the US, we also have the international code number. You have to call NDTV at one go. When you call them and they pick up the call, you only have to say NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama and then hang up. If you make the call at a bulk, we are basically jamming up their phone line, and NDTV is not going to receive any important updates from their sources for their news. So this is a way to protest and retaliate and make them realize that they have spread the fake news, and we're not going to let it go so easily. So everybody pick up your phone and call the number that we have pinned in the comments. Secondly, everybody take a selfie with your placard saying that hashtag NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Apologize is spelling APOLOGISE rita.
Once you post that, please upload it in your social media, tagging NDTV. This is a very, very important selfie. It's not like any other common selfie. Upload it in your social media, tagging NDTV. Everybody has to do it. Not one, not two, everyone. And then third, we all can send a mass email to feedback@ndtv.com. 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 So 참말로, let's do it together. Koran to tandapege office kichilo lere, but we don't have to be there, but we can do it together. Whether you're from Bhutan, whether you're from Nepal, whether you're from India, whether you're from the US, Europe, please do it. Call them right now. Come on, pick it up your phone and do it. Okay. Then let's join you to Masra. What's the hashtag for selfie? It's hashtag NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Abu kama shamba layo aja kama kufide.
That also the Quran the stories of Tibet and the Quran to the round the Kusu Pajula physically could have part to area.
Yeah.
Kusu become to what I'm so immediate begin taking level chair his road and the Ashikaru last of the Chipotican Leno Jure, because of the Chimato Suajimus, Paleka is Kusu Chitiata. So I'm talking catches support chair name to you. The running around to getting the support you get physically chair the cupboard, but some of the counter the pillow did or Hara would digital Kuzuki did the color big big Karina Sachi in it get the cheap wrestling it on Kuzuki. That thing also Lela Matula Lega Chinju state, that thing around to chair.
Okay. Kashig, in comments, no, Kashig, like the Tangbodilla, I want to know if you all can hear me. Pujung Nobu saying, I can't hear you both. If you can't hear a both, try to the device can do the volume, the gang at Tangochita, Tandachala Misha button to the answer, give Bogu the chicken on the long thumbs up, chick. Can you all hear us? Thumbs up, you're not. Yes. Okay. Chick. Yes. Okay. That is all right. Secondly, they are not picking up. If it's okay, as long as the phone lines are going on, control your phone the ring chidevana. Going to robot phone line. Tang de nang anjo disturb chawo konju kya ma kya wai na phone ring chi wai na o ta ten hazilis this ba ten hazilis
so the pizza the phone ting you know how we are the gumsta they want to be chago jam chago what did you
okay all right that nang anjo de dinalo influencership but ten hazilis join here all right hi Dina.
Yes.
Hi. So Tanda Tenlatse is here joining me. And Tenlatse ki viewers we are kale join chivile tati se viewer pariya girewa ye. While Tenlatse's viewers are joining in, so everybody who is here joining after Tenlatse has joined. This is a live going on my screen. I'm the host, and on my right hand side, from what I see, are a bunch of influencers who are currently protesting in Delhi in front of the NDTV office. So, ngagi phege da injiniga digo gaginga. So then let's see if you can just can give viewers the labna what's going on, Tanda.
Hello guys. So today we are gathered here at NDTV. NDTV office.
NDTV office. Viewers. No. So ten Hatsigi viewers who just joined in. Tanda Abukama viewers the viewers the Tangini Ten Hatsigi viewers, whoever's just joined in, I'm going to speak in English because I know you have mixed viewers from different places, right? So 10.lha.tse's viewers who have just joined in, if you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of Tibetan influencers who are standing outside NDTV office in Delhi right now. All we need you all to do is please, in the comment section, in the comment section, you can see some information. You can see that there's a phone number that you have to call. If you can make a call straight to the phone number, if you're in India, please do not put the extension number. But if you are in the US or elsewhere, you have to put the extension number, call NDTV. When they pick up, you say, apologize to NDTV, apologize to Dalai Lama, and just hang up. We are currently trying to jam NDTV office's phone line. So that is our motto, right? And next is that online campaign, you have to take a selfie by hashtag NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Please make that selfie and upload it on your social media and tag NDTV. And the third is everybody has to send a mass email to feedback, FEEDBACK, feedback at ndtv.com. Feedback at ndtv.com. So these three things, we are requesting everybody to do it. These bunch of influencers are standing outside NDTV office. They're doing this, but from our end, we can do this. So please take a look at what they're doing. Meanwhile, Abu Kamakuji and your pagan repeat.
मी कशी लेट लेंगे तो जो है ना तो जबरदस्त होगा या कशी लेट
Pagan kira pagan aja engine no.
तो वो जिसना लेट लेंगे तो जो कशी हम हुआ है ना तो दिखा ना तो दाइन टीवी दिल्ली जीके वन रहा क्रॉस में तो दिखी दे रहे पीक प्रोटेस्ट दे रहे रहा के मागिया ने अनि क्रॉस ये दितो ने दे रहे तो मिक्ता होता है कुछ रहा कुछ सोचते यार सुलेवा ने चिलो ता है ना क्रॉस गांव सा कुछ दे stop defaming Dalai Lama and Jido media la. What did it that dinner lega matul lega hatcher and the phone jamming dictator, the online campaign dictator, any mass emailing dictator, phone jamming lana and TV la apologize to Dalai Lama la. What is Larry and phone number the dinner t-shirt that the because he laid to phone to the game is last. Go some give for a to do for an control structure of Shora. Kianani Yakshu Yawana Darekora. Apologize to Dalai Lama. That's it. Masasha Tandaza Shila down Shiva. The Lega Shiva. And you are the color online campaign, the color and take a selfie to Jare, the current hashtag anti-TV. Apologize to Dalai Lama. And you it's very simple. The Delo Rock, the woody chair that the consult of the Chilo Dave and the Sabatao, the Karin, cause the ritual that becomes the Chimato Yama. And what the part of the social media and Patama how social media in the future Karina or the Tamas in your email time the chair feedback to NDTV Razi.
Feedback at the rate ndtv.com.
At the rate ndtv.com.
Number two, Abu Gama 11. Number two, you probably don't know that not just the four of us, there are many other influencers like Living Tia, Tazin, A for Ball. Everybody's going live at this point while we are going live. So if you are following all of us, you can join anybody's live. As long as you are getting the message across and as long as you are able to understand why this live is happening. Right now, they're talking to the cops. The police I don't think they have permission. So they're going to do this very peacefully. I'm going to talk in Nepali right now. Nepali right? तपाईहरु अब नेपालबाट यो लाइभ हेर्नु हुन्छ भने हाम्रो यो लाइभ गर्नुको कारण चाहिँ अब देयर आर बन्च अफ हाम्रो टिबेटन इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स अहिले भर्खरै एनडीटीवी दिल्ली अफिसको बाहिर छ एन्ड हामी यहाँ लाइभ गर्दाखेरि we are requesting some few things. Tibetan हुनु पर्दैन to do this. If you are supporting the Dalai Lama and तपाईले थाहा पायो कि यो main चाहिँ NDTV र Hindustan Times or यो न्यूज फेक न्यूज स्प्रेड गरेको छ, what you have to do is तल हाम्रो यो कमेन्ट्स मा एउटा इन्फर्मेसन राखेछ, please call NDTV यो नम्बरमा फोन गरेर and all you have to say is NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama भनेर फोन राखिदिनुस् त्यसपछि आफ्नो सेल्फी अपलोड गरेर #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama लेखेर यो अपलोड गर्नु सोशल मिडियामा अनि एनडीटीभीलाई ट्याग गर्नुस् अनि तपाईहरुको साथीहरु सबैलाई भनेर मास इमेल पठाउनु पर्छ एनडीटीभीमा and the email ID is feedback@ndtv.com. So that's the information. Hindi lansu la thusare. Na Hindi and Hindi ya wo ye.
और बुद्धू होता है
जी तो सब लोग जो आए हुए हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी एनडीटीवी के ऑफिस के बाहर ये अभी 20 मार्च चल रहा है और हम लोगों के जैसे जो हमारा कम्युनिटी में छोटा इन्फ्लुएंसर है सब लोग अभी लाइव जाके ये सब दिखा रहा है क्योंकि हमारा सिर्फ 3 पर्पस है सुम राजा 3 पर्पस है एक तो आप लोग ना सेल्फी लेके साइड में हैशटैग तो बोल थियो राजा हैशटैग
NDTV yeah cheer #NDTV apologize to
वो
Dalai Lama
हैशटैग यूज करके एक सेल्फी डालना है एक हम लोग फोन जैमिंग कर रहे हैं एनडीटीवी का जो नीचे फोन नंबर दिया हुआ है उस पर कृपया फोन कीजिए और हमारा मेन मोटिव ये नहीं है कि अगर वो उठाया है कि नहीं हमारा मेन मोटिव ये है कि वो अगर उन लोगों का फोन जैम हो गया तो हमारे ऊपर थोड़ा सा नजर आएगा ना एनडीटीवी का और उसके बाद वो लोग अपोलोजाइज करे वो हमारा मोटिव है और तीसरा जो है वो सुबह खड़े आजा
and Sumba ji online
तो
email
तीसरा जो है वो एनडीटीवी पे ईमेल डालना है कि अपोलोजाइज करो करके ना ताकि उन लोगों को थोड़ा सा हमारा जब बस एक छोटा सा जो मेन मोटिव है वो है कि एनडीटीवी हमारे ऊपर जो फेक अभी मीडिया मैनिपुलेशन हो रखा है उसके ऊपर ना सॉरी बोले अपोलोजाइज करें तो इसलिए हम लोग ये सब कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज कृपया करके आप लोग ये सब कीजिए सपोर्ट कीजिए हमारे
yes okay having said that I also want all my viewers to understand one thing. Not everything will happen what we planned, right? They will not pick up the call. If they're not picking up the call, just keep going, right? Just because it's causing an inconvenience to you that they're not picking up the call doesn't mean that we have to give up. This is not the time to give up, right? You keep calling. When Kiranzo Vita Kisi Legungi Legado and Kiranzo Susu Tanda, you know, phone Katsitangyo. This is the time for you to have that same passion that you would do when it's something related to you. All right, this is his Dalai Lama that we're talking about, right? They need to apologize. Another thing is that please, if they pick up the call, all you have to say is that NDTV apologize and hang up to Dalai Lama. Do not use abusive language. Because at this point, any abusive words, right? And Shamba can to some police name
that notice chaya no that the cheat and you and you need to the police that means it's going great louder yeah but
okay the point pe acha they did pick up less but the person who's picking up is not understanding English inchi ke go tsugu mena dinalo lana digit and phone share Tanda purpose ten la.tse glasa tanda purpose the kunzu ko marda kunzu phone line de kunzu jam chiya gi mi re potu de Harichini jam chiya mi lana news office ki phone line ra jam cha chogu yo mare because they keep getting phone calls tharing pege la dagar la chik cha so tharing and the New Delhi gate la chik cha so lan kunzu information le di kunzu legal anyo ki de kunzu phone line jam chiwa na and koran so wutu ni they have to come down to our level
अच्छा एक्चुअली उसमें QR कोड में है जैसे स्कैन करेंगे तो पूरी डिटेल आ जाएगी
ये जो बाकी उनका कुछ है बाकी कुछ नहीं है
हां सर
हाँ जी सर वो उन लोगों ने पहले ही डाला ना सर, अब कितना लोग सेंटेंस हर्ट हो गया सर, हमारे गुजरात में कितना लोग को हर्ट
एडिटिंग करके कर दिया
पूरा अभी वायरल हो गया।
닌제 닌기 더 먼저 계속. 어.
पुलिस साहब
मैम आपका हो गया आपके पास ना तो प्रॉपर परमिशन है यहाँ बैठने का आपको ज्ञापन देना ज्ञापन या तो हमें दे दीजिए हम इनको ऑफिस खुलेगा तो पहुँचा देंगे हम आप यहाँ नहीं आप यहाँ नहीं बैठ सकते आपके पास ना तो प्रॉपर परमिशन है
पुलिस मारे चांदी.
परमिशन हो एनडीटी नहीं ना पुलिस से
हेलो सर
मैडम अलाउ नहीं है ऐसे नहीं है आपने 2 मिनट बैठ लिया 5 मिनट बैठ लिया आधा घंटे बैठने के लिए कुछ नहीं बोला अब हो गया आपका अब उठना पड़ेगा आपके पास ना तो परमिशन है परमिशन हो मैडम कहाँ से बुलाए हम कल एडिटिंग का कोई है भाई
Oh, very good point. दिखाने खावा लो दो.
बात नहीं एंडी वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट लीडर इन इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट कि मतलब गुरुजी का इमिग्रेशन सीधा इमिग्रेशन लग रहा है वो लोग भी बिना
करवाते इनको नहीं तो ऐसे नहीं है अलाउ नहीं है
Okay.
नहीं आया सर हम
콘디 간다 디 도데 더 완전 알아서 될 리그게 오빠. ये खरे फाइंड आउट सिस्टम में किसी 데 NDTV की कुरान जो की तंदा NDTV की दिना ला ड्रोन राया NDTV की वेबसाइट वाला रा फीडबैक शासतो कमेंट शासतो वो द लाइन जैम जने दिगोता कुदा 다 디사와 디 콘주이 먼저 람마사디 तंदा ये हस्बैंड की दी लास्ट ओंदी आइडिया कुदो किसी फोन कॉल तंग क्या की मैना email tangiro sharto shol NTTV kuran zu website wala feedback comment shasa to all the nala line hashtag tina divido onge do ha to ulta divido
वो आज दी बैक कैमरा होते हैं बैक कैमरा
to sir yeah website download do na bini ha okay back camera kasa tinge gijela tichigo yang kai mare the story na luna this kan su tanda thong this is thongo de na di konjo ge website wala feedback search to comment search to o di wa de la kiran zu yang jo so ya che ma je konjo ge attention ra la khang tuk tuk khawa khasa ne konjo ge phone number is invalid it says okay kiran zu khawan tangyo if it's invalid kuch extension number zu taro chida क्या नहीं ना extension लोग हमारे छिके खाते न मालाई ना extension लोग रहे if you are from the US or if you are from other parts of the world you have to put down the extension
आज सुस्ती उड़ी चिकुलाना कोनी
단다 파가라 단다 페게라 police and the kids 신게 창만 민데 신게 메데네 원쪽에 동바 워싱턴 도지당지 원쪽 도지당지 직체 students stories of Tibetan ki kunsang la chikche and tanda tinsi children chikche and ngaran to YouTube kere chumbo digi dol le chowa ngaran to chef digi dol morang yore
아니 이 말에 라다 내가 너무
lata mere so keran to ki tanda wanto tanda la live do gi purpose kora mimang la involve chagi in the live do show la ye husband gi NDTV number try chi de shada kana shi keran to di phone ding on live ta pe jo tam de keran to thama pikela phone she but Puchun Kata has given a new number it's ringing but not picking so just keep dialing phone pick up machine do or the raya lada
नंबर दे देना लुक सकता रहा अरे पिन मचिया चे दिनों कमेंट ना दादा मैं तुम्हें ना नंबर देती चले गुरु
the number this should kata lani dita रहती sladi on the कुछ number दे थीदा ring chi de ta phone ring chi de na di or ta kon phone line jam cha ring chi कुछ de na di or
तो हुजूर
ring che
God.
kon to kata
किधर से
हमारे हाथ में नहीं है 15 मिनट
ring che oh god and then yapcher ta 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 ring che so ta kon to la 까마추영아로 라인서 까마추영아 대야기 촉신로 라인서 렌인제 아니 울다 공부하잖아. 오케이. Number the okay, so number 7 the picture. Alright, so the police ki tanda konzo la khari la shalana kenzo de chogo mares kranzo la chokshin yo mare la doran kuranzo gi kuch bigiro shoot ni yang kama chonga sto change sta konzo tanda pe peacefully protest chilo la na kimbe gewore chik la yo mare ina konzo di live do wala nganzo as a public konzo di konzo la khande support chigore na tanda NDTV office la phone tang number di ni phone tang pin chige di number sawa re sungudo number sawa re sungudo yeah
Some of the Michigan ships to some tries the some of the get you direct for a time channel.
okay so
ringing.
so abu gama kuji tanda yango chik update na to the mi khashi tanda shini join chige later ba 먼저 repeat chidan ke yo mare yeah
정말로 되는 다들 미시 뼈슨 소리도 같이 싸워는 애들이 이날다 단다 어도데 내가 숨 짓대요 고소파 내가 지대요라 배 경주 라이프 통구도 어도데 피스 프로젝트 지도도 하는 건 좋아자 시간도 나한테 가지고 좀다 냉기대요라 안티나줄라 라이브에서 NDTV thì con số là phone jamming chair number thì thằng ta sao rồi đó vào đó number thì là yo cho phone ta rồi rồi anh phone cao nó cao mà cái này là cái trục rồi rồi con số disturb cho được rồi anh phone cao này yo anh đi chơi NDTV apologize to tale la malan tak na phone sha sha rồi dramatic shipper khala mà ta duk ja la này negative cha được rồi mà positive có là được rồi thằng anh chik bị khăn đó chik online campaign chair anh also selfie này rồi selfie detection में हुआ है detection पर चिट्ठा तो आनी social media ना उलो लानी post शुरू थी selfie ना उलो था चेयर में hashtag आनी NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama ने ना एक ही ना वो अच्छी बात चंबू चुके चिरा तादू वाला संमा या वो गोचु गए चिरा और जिसे आनी last दिखाना ना email share है रो आनी दी NDTV feedback at ndtv.com राजी
feedback at ndtv.com la
Tada aji time ba pare tada aji
any kira tata changa chisa wajela ndtv kuran to the website la doni wala comment shasato me comment section de nala la yang thina degree the main khalichi bola na NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Kawa kasan taran member khajiore we have around 6 million Tibetan people all over the world ra kissing around to tangma depchila NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama di konsola dongbang ol라가 di yang tenso di langge나 konsogi ya bet machiwa changmar konsogi website jam up che konsogi phone line and the jam up as we speak. This is the point when we are talking konso lega tushu dogorda konso phone line jam china konso information lewo mar jumbling the world information lewo mar through the phone line. So we are right now jamming their phone by just calling them, keep calling them. If it's ringing and they're not picking up, it's still fine. We're jamming up. Jam up their phone number. If you don't have the phone number, I've pinned one phone number right here. If they're not answering the call, there's another phone number. Oh yeah, there's another. But guys, you can see how they're found to Khatsing Yang de Shapagala. At the comfort of our own home, we can still support them. How can you support them? You call the number. Thangbo, please pin your comment number because now what is super. Can you all please note down the number in the pin comment because I'm going to remove it in 2 minutes. Number so in 2 minutes, I'm going to remove the number because we are going to enter another information in the pin comment. Okay, so Kiran to tanda the comment section di nalo wala 011 415 77 777 이 नंबर इशू
मैडम ये आप वाला ये है ये कैसे करेंगे ये बताओ ना
Okay, now I'm putting down the email address.
कोई धर्म खिलाफ से मजाक मत करो प्लीज हमारा भगवान है गुरु जी
अरे सर मैं 2 मिनट दे दो कोई धरना प्रदर्शन करो वहाँ पे खड़ा 2 मिनट
ऐसे मत करो एनडीटी हमेशा रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ कई दिल से काम करो प्लीज सच्चा दिखाओ फुल फोटो दिखाओ एडिट करके मत दिखाओ प्लीज ओके ओनली दलाई लामा एनडीटी आ जाओ
चलो ठीक है जी
चलो प्लीज आइए ओके आइए
Thank you so much, sir.
ठीक है
Thank you for cooperating with us.
ठीक है
Means a lot to us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
चलो चलो जी
ठीक है चलिए आइए ओके
Oh, that day I'm going to the Yagobe Chungso. The Nokia Technology message part down where the NDG can the Ligit where they get the Tunga Chungso.
Yes.
Tanasian, Sangi in Chinata, and Migicham and she Temishiwa, and Jewa, you Sabaya. The Sangi never change any Titanium, but Titanium bits and Tanashi kept it. That Cheshi Dibanisi of Chungso Shui. 상물로리아 니 카본에 투지치 아니 이시다 꾸지꾸지 양게탄다 라이프 돈이 라이프 신이 되게 연계 숨제로 할 되게 상물로리아
디 군상아 키랑저 디 탄다 마페 공라델라 카버 앙장 당기 떼교시도와 온디 카시글라나 조기민도 숨기도록 아니 카버 앙다 탄도 부중카다 이 사와직 때낭샤 아니 얘기 탄다 나체 아부카마치 땐라체 제타다 나란도 인플루언서스 이나 레 페베 셰바 셰마 수이나 레간도 창마기 카바랑다 업데이트 지지 그런도 이런도 땅와이나 암저기 스토리 던 포스트 나는 룩샤이니 네 지금 이게나 단다 데 페스라야 지금 이게나 코라 얘기 코랑 라이 업데이트 시셔 단다 그런도 나와이기 다다 챌린지 게 상마 양교 지금 앞에 공라 테마지 계란기 독도 지금 좀 라차이네 계란 좀 원에 지 다리다리 치고에 지 독도 숨도 숨잖아
No. So did on the Delia young way, Jerala, and the Damtal and the Matibu young way, Delia on to me, but I mean, that thing on to Mikasi, teacher, Dicalo, and the NDG will shoot to a mix it in the KU model. That go that and on the life, now the Musi, the Yagi, and it was a Caribou, which we love a minute. And what they are so the party can part the Galia, and Shuji Galia, hashtag. NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama like the Shal. Ani Niva Delia Tatang to the email Soyorella. Ani the NDTV the Chuna and so print towns and them Jan NDTV the Tang to Yahudu. Dimachuna any email function Jigitus. One the any and then a phone jamming to them.
Yes. Okay, so Kiranzo with the liquid pigget chilola. But peaceful way ni pigela di tupsasong tang aram jong mang one tanda NDTV gi khabar dila yang phone tang che jam che chikche and par gap che inji mi ji changmalo upload nangro na whether it's Facebook or whether it's Instagram and hashtag chisa bachela NDTV koran to tag nangore and kiran to tag chigore tag che this kontu chikon chigore kana
hashtag NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama like the chair and Tamaki NDTV the Yuna.
Okay.
Hashtag NDTV and the restart world.
Okay. And until attack Chugumara, NDTV rang chukul attack in the Euro.
Young around the good part to text away in the diggy capture and it takes
okay. Attack in the Euro.
Hare Yagachune ditch and decided. That and now the dinner country day June Mindula.
मान लिया करो
अब हमारी ऑडियंस से थोड़ा बात कर लो
सर जी हम नहीं सर जी हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे हम अभी न्यूयॉर्क से आप देख रहे हैं सर जी
मैडम चलिए क्या बात कर रही हैं
प्लीज रेवेनो
हां ग्राम पुलिस अंदा सावनी दिचा
닌제 답비세 한
가령 얘기 가르쳐와 통 수고인 benero 남중안도 पुलिसले तची जु या자 마자 딘데 숙침부 증우요로 와 तदी 탄다 저 공처처당 대화의 동네 재미 시와톤의 세트웨이 있나 니니게 닝기도 아니 제주니게 제주도 직 돈다 두벼져로 와 운영거를 तची 대박이 미디 로아스둘라의 넘버디 다디 숙침부 된투 종삼부터
I'm so proud of you guys. Tujiche kunsang la kerang di legu di godi chewatra. Ning takwasa dharamsala ne kerang jute maphere. Nganjogi ngone khala ta utu ya ne ju dinde chagi tu tak thanda chige ka den mala Europe ka den mala lapta den mana kongsochola tseme shuye gi lobjung ya lapki tu. Ta ngaran ju pheba changma ngone ngaran ju gi nangba jig mi chane ngone. Nganjo la shu chia mena ni ende 미교막에 레비페도가 딜 후르타 파르다친 갸께 치에데 케초모 페도가 땅아란 주창마 단다 되지들 셈바키우 요 말에 단 합다 둔다 치크하스 조어다 수치 수수수수 미제 남규나 신치도면도 안 디치제 ngaran 주창마 찹슈제 군상라 키랑다 투지치에다 라야메 가지 기주기 랭게데 딩아란 주창마 랭게레다 이네 투지치 가르친 라기올라나 디 레귀디 차초부 용야라 간주 창마를 냠들 뒤에들 투지체 아니 계란조 미망초에는 굳이 말한저 단다 라이브 시타바젤라 인치 민지만 쪽을 라겨든저 모투니 나로치나 켄조 텐소 라야체도 완저 스토리나 연결로기 아니 셴바타 안저 라이브 좀 쉐어 와다 나한테 조코 everybody take a picture
now live 담마생이 디직션도 좋다 직 한다 공사초 공로 토고 페요레 아니 다 다디디기 게임에 조사로 제자 땅도 정말 수 독자직을 직토로 하는 다 딜러다 땅 완전히 개인다마스나 내야래요래 서로 다 지나 무슨 수요가 있는데라 다 딜러도 인지민지 개인들도 직 흉지다 흉지 뭐인데 처벌지려 구마 되어체 다리간도 지나 밀레교 창문을 처벌다딘데 제대와 개요 말에 소소소게 장난한신이 되겨래 다 기승한도 딘데 제투가 있나로 아니 완전 자변이 있네 간지토네직 데부터비알이야 디스 요감에 로섬도 다디 통로야 그랑이 이슈에
제 오늘 데바페하고 송송 군상라 kintu tsangma kengi mena kunzangla thanda stories of Tibetan godinang re khora nam yuni stories of Tibetan nang pepe ta peden tola mangpo tam digi yore an khoran zu ningje su ni khashe du chen doje rangze la keran zu khaza tongere khoran zu ningje shende ta chikang and madhu bu su gi dosong tang ni sa dili ni kaza dharamsala ni dili badol leche dili gu de pevre thangbo di khoran zu group de la da hal le bang akchu yu ani ngaranjo influencers la na re pheba gi sheba shemare su dingjati chunju yu gyo denjo changma ta tanda de ten.lha.tse na re abukama ina re an phaju la live donye mangbo yo re ngaranjo changma la thuji che right and final time wrap up time after this live everybody is going to take a picture of themselves with a placard or with the paper saying #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Post it on your Instagram or your Facebook by tagging NDTV, tag any one of us and post it. Everybody do it. Everybody. Just do it. Secondly, NDTV number, like keep calling NDTV's number and say, pick up China, apologize to Dalai Lama, Labadalam some phone shot. Phone kyagi menang ring chini do the na. Kiran to tell manya bado try chin nangde. In Kiran to chale nangu another kiji kagare, in a dongba in a dichi nangde. And Tamadilla, NDTV like email tangochi on that email ID feedback@ndtv.com. Shiva Dilla NDTV website la doni konjo ki feedback section nanglo line #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama Tisha. Okay, so on this sheet inji minji nangro chi number so tang on live the end again before wrapping up abu kama the 10.lha.tse laya yobe
Hola,
ta ke maninje 10.lha.tse konjo lo chunjura koran ju ninje simshu mewa dende mare khashe yang ngadro na kha dewu kha mangbu she ni yore khashe ninje kije she mani yore da ding ni khani yore simshu changma jipa jigen yore abu kama jiglas na changra pacho
아니 구사라 트디셔라 거라기 스토리스 오브 티베탄 그런 남준이 내가 치고 다른 디 내가 이제 아주 소화되게 성공을 거라기 얘기 그만 좋았어 이거라기 얘기 같이 잡고 싶은 성공들아 did the care is some on the Gonza. Ah, Gala Mateo, Crying love to go. Group discussing other problems. The Pirana Bay was discussing becomes so, this is but someone to the life to the by your cock, the light to the Mangu, what is the wish to jump to like that is also online for I don't know if some good Tomahawk. I'm good to get a day from which it is personally party to and someone
Yeah.
say, no,
Nga tanda kunsang lala matyungi ra kachin na kunsang lagi background voice very loud too. So kunsang lala matyung yang you want to say that the chi and want to wrap up chi show. No. Kunsang la thank you
Yes.
so much. No. The
Touching
stories of
on
Tibetan
to
matyung. Yeah. Okay. So stories of Tibetan matyung at the lamsang onto the background it is news. Okay. As you can see the sound is and the clear chadwara. So before I wrap up with my two amazing influencers, one Abu Kama, please follow him. Korangia Pegintola Tanta Pe Mambo Chalenangsha. I'm so proud of both of you for using your platform and writing everything you can. There's also give followers the simple so one more time, keep calling NDTV, write them an email on feedback@ndtv.com and take a selfie, but please make sure your spelling is correct. So spelling correct APOLOGISE rita ZE maita. Apologize ki thangcha APOLOGISE. So NDTV #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama lani inchi minchi. All right, thank you so much. Right, take care, Abukama. Lots of keep working hard. Yeah. Bye, guys. Yeah. Okay, so the life hal leva kiran samagi life pet song. And one more time before I end this live, I want to repeat this information that once I end this live, I'm going to be taking a picture. You don't have to be a Tibetan to support the Tibetan cause. I'm going to be taking a picture with #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama, and I'll be posting it on my social media and tagging NDTV. You don't have to be a social worker or a political activist. You as an individual can make a difference. So do it right now. Please take a picture. Just stand with a piece of paper, #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Remember, take it from the back camera, because if you take it from the front camera, the ulta thungre. So do that. Take a picture and post it, and then keep calling NDTV's number. Even if they're not picking up, their phone line is still getting jammed. Finally, send an email to feedback, FEED, feedback @ndtv.com. Tell them how sad we Tibetans are, our whole Buddhist community are, by their fake news. Do not use abusive language because it's not going to contribute to our cause. So please, everybody, let's all make a small difference individually from the comfort of your home. You do not have to be elsewhere on the street. You can use social media. Social media is a very powerful tool if you use it in the right way. So let's all let NDTV realize what mistake they have done, how much they've defamed our holiness, and this going. I'll give you a sample. So if you all see a sample, and they can #NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Pictures like this. We need pictures like this. More pictures like this. So yeah, so end it out. Yeah, and the yeah. All right. So once you do that, upload a selfie of yourself holding a placard saying #NDTV apologize ki thakcha de nordwa. Apologize ki thakcha APOLOGISE to Dalai Lama. On the inji mi jitlu ne ani kiranzo gi soso gi social media na look ni NDTV la tag china de nganzo la tag chi ko ne di chik china di trending chi ko da nganzo di trending chi de fake chi mo da 안 공사 쪽에 체인데야 만노 와치면도 달라이 라마 기타자 di DALAILAMA. All right, so it's very 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 important that we all contribute individually to this particular cause. This is a movement that involves every Tibetan, every Buddhist. You don't really need to be a professor or a social worker or a political activist. You can do this because you're a Tibetan and you're a Buddhist, bottom line. You can also do that uploading in Twitter. Yes, make that trending in Twitter, make that trending in Facebook, right? And make sure you put down 2 hashtags. Hashtag NDTV apologize to Dalai Lama. Hashtag I stand with Dalai Lama. And before we end this live, I want to thank all of you. I think you've probably seen other people go live in other platforms. And so yeah, we are waiting. As soon as I end this live, I'm going to be waiting for your picture tags. It's very late right now. It's 1:50 a.m. in the morning. Still a 1:50 a.m. Resha. So please. Yeah, apologize ki thakcha ji APOLOGIS rita ZE marta ji mi ji correct chilo nang kuch. ZED correct race tungu durwa, but let's just play it safe and keep it SE mare. ZED British English ta American English ta dili yor ta GIS eating bidwa mare APOLOGIS eating a digre Z eating a dita. Just get out the check sudarwa. Okay. All right, thank you. Ani long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, and thank you to all the influencers who participated in this cause, who took their time all the way from Dharamsala. They came to in Delhi, Ningje, Dilegu Cheto. Thank you so much. Z is also acceptable, sir. So yeah, okay, Z acceptable in a APOLOGI. So do it in Twitter, do it in Facebook, do it in, of course, Instagram, but do not forget to tag NTTV. Do not forget to tag whoever you want to tag, whether you want to tag, any other influencers that you all want this thing to spread out. Okay, so I'm not going to take much time. It's very late here, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'm going to save this live so you all can watch it later. Take care. Good night.
Welcome everybody. Dami khang mamang zomrochi. Welcome.